Today, Southern Gardening is in Grenada, Mississippi, admiring a stunning array of white flowering plants. Let's take a closer look at some of these beautiful selections. One of my favorites, the native flowering dogwood, is a cherished understory tree known for its elegant white blooms in early spring. Its distinctive white or pink bracts surround small, inconspicuous flowers, creating a breathtaking display before the foliage emerges. Typically reaching 15 to 30 feet in height, this tree thrives in partial shade, making it a standout in woodland settings and shaded landscapes. Evergreen azaleas with white blooms also flourish in partial shade, brightening gardens with their crisp flowers in early spring. As a member of the Rhododendron genus, these azaleas retain their glossy, deep green foliage throughout the year, adding lasting beauty to southern landscapes. Some varieties even provide an extra burst of blooms in the fall. For sunny spots, the Snowball Viburnum is a showstopper. This striking deciduous shrub is known for its large, globe-shaped flower clusters that resemble hydrangeas. In spring, its blossoms emerge as pale green before maturing into brilliant white spheres, some reaching up to 8 inches in diameter. The result is a dramatic and eye-catching display. As you can see, white flowering plants brings a touch of elegance and charm to landscapes. I'm Eddie Smith, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Southern Gardening.